Hey, Bill McCrae here. How you doing? Driving in the car. Gotta pay attention to the road. I'm doing this because I noticed that all the cool guys take videos of themselves driving down the road. So I want to be one of the cool guys. I don't want to be left out. Do you? No. I'll talk to you about how you can make money online. Here it is. It's Monday. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm headed to the gym. I got my workout clothes on underneath. And then after that, I'm going to run to the bank and do some errands. And I don't have a boss to worry about. I don't have a job to report to. I don't have any politics or nasty bosses to mess with or egos to deal with. Other than my own, this is what I do. I work from home, and it gives me a lot of freedom. And that freedom is truly a blessing in many ways. And you could have the exact same thing. To be honest with you, you've probably tried a lot of different things and haven't made any money yet. Let me be straight up with you. Most of those business opportunities that you're probably attracted to have very great sales letters and pictures of guys flying airplanes and boats, and you fantasize, that's me, I can do that. And then you try to do it, and either you make a little money or you make no money, or the guy at top's making all the money, because they're pyramid schemes. They're going to fail. You name one business opportunity that started back in 2012 when I started selling traffic that's still operating today. It's kind of hard to do. There are some network marketing companies that are still around. Those are hard jobs, though. I mean, you got to go sell a networking type of system. But some people are gifted at and do it really well. I couldn't. I tried. I just didn't have the type of personality that would do it. I'm more the guy that drives down the road talking to the camera. So here we are, you're trying to make some money, and I have a way that guaranteed to work. It doesn't matter who you are, what you're doing, and that's selling traffic, email traffic. And if you try to do it on your own, this is what you're going to experience. Well, you got to build a list. So you got to get an autoresponder, then you got to have a landing page, so then you got to get a landing page software. So you're spending money, and you're like, okay, now I'm going to capture leads. You got to buy solo ads from people to build a list. You'll find out that the average list member is going to cost you between $1.25 and $1.50 per lead, and then only about 1 in 10 will ever open and click on an email. So it's really costing you like $3, $4 per lead to get somebody who's going to be actually opening and clicking on emails, right? So that means you have to sell. That guy's got to open and click on at 40 cents a piece. He's going to have to at least make sure he clicks on 10 emails for you to make money back, just to break even on that lead in your list. Those are the facts. This is why people who buy solo ads to build a list to sell solo ads never make any money. They get desperate to try to recoup their money, and they start using really spammy type of emails to generate more clicks, and then their autoresponders get mad at them and they get dropped. Their list members disappear quickly because you're attacking them constantly with all this hypey, crappy email. And as a solo ad seller, buying solo ads to sell solo ads is not a very good long-term philosophy. Well, then the next thing is you hear this whole bullshit about, okay, get paid to build your list, which means basically you buy a solo ad, you capture a lead, and then the guy lands on your thank you page, which is just a sales letter for some high-pitched product, and you're going to sell enough product and earn enough commissions off the sale of that product to actually pay for the cost of your leads. Good, go try that. Doesn't work very well, does it? Okay, you basically, the guys who are selling solo ads, how are they doing it? Well, most of them don't do it very long. I mean, I'm part of Udemy, and I see these guys come and go all the time. They're there for about maybe a month, 2 months. They sell a bunch of traffic, and then they disappear because they can't buy and sell it. They're going to go broke. They can't buy solo ads to sell solo ads. There are guys that do product launches that get a big list, or CPA products that have an opt-in form and that build a big list, and they'll sell traffic because those leads don't convert on their offers. That's viable. That will work. Go ahead and try it. Get your product on a CPA network. Get people to trust you to promote it. I do that. It's one of the ways I generate my leads. But it's not easy. I made my big money in this industry through product launches. Try that. It's easy. Wow. So easy, I gave it up in 2012 in order to sell traffic, right? It's a lot of work. It's hard to do, and then many times you fail at it. So there is a solution. It's called email arbitrage. You go to a guy like me, soloadbiz.org, where we sell traffic to people who resell it. And you mark it up. You make 25-30% profit margin on it. And then you turn your money every single day. I mean, that's better than a bank's going to give you, isn't it? Now, the thing is, you're not going to like live that fancy jet, fancy lifestyle that you fantasize about, the big old boats and the fancy cars. I've had all that stuff. It lasts about that long until you realize it isn't that meaningful to you. You're not going to get that selling solo ads. What you're going to do is maybe replace your wife's paycheck. Maybe you're going to make $1,000 to $2,000 a month, which will pay your house payment. Or it will go into retirement funds, or maybe that vacation or the necklace or something like that. You want to get your wife. It's useful money, and you can do it without the risk of having to invest tens of thousands of dollars into building a list just to have an email come from Aweber that says we're no longer going to support your account. Soloadbiz.org will not only provide you the source of traffic, will save you a lot of money. We're going to give you the training on how to sell the traffic. Now, there are guys on the Warrior Forum and other places that offer solo ad training courses for $3,000. Okay. Think about that. That's a lot of money to spend just to be able to go out and lose money buying solo ads to sell solo ads. Think about it. We're giving that level of training for free. Don't have to pay a bloody penny. Go sign up. There's right below. There's not even an opt-in form. It says free training, no sign up. Go click on that. We'll take you right to the training page. Go through the training. They're all videos that I made. You know, I made $300,000 on Udemy alone and over $1 million total last year. This is very doable, and you can make, thousands of dollars a month. Is it a get-rich-quick thing? No. Can you make money and replace a paycheck? Sure. I really highly recommend it. It's the #1 commodity. Every business online needs traffic. We have it. You can sell it. Sign up below. We'll see you then.